Hello you traders family, hope so you are fine. Today we are going to learn about technically and fundamentally about the movement of a gold. Today in the morning there was a huge movement of a gold around 1000 pips. So we would also learn about it, that what was the consequences behind this movement. So if you look at fundamentally, due to the sale contracts of 24,000 sale gold contracts, which worth having $4 billion, due to that gold has fallen that much. And also there's one more news which would be maybe came tomorrow or in 1 or 2 days about 3.5 trillion infrastructure bill. So if it would be approved and it would be approved and accepted, then dollar worth would be more upper sides and gold in short moves toward downside. So also there was also a big data of job reports which having number of 943 plus k 943,000 about numbers. So if due to these numbers, economy stables, and on the other side dollar rises and gold falls. So due to these three basic things, gold suffer loss. It died according to me, it was 4,811 points. So also now we would look for technically about the movement of a gold. So if you draw a trend line here, it's H4 time frame, so you would clearly see, yeah, it's perfect. Let me hold. Yeah, so here you would after drawing this trend line, it helps you a lot, and it helps you if you look at this trend line more closely. Let me hold. Yeah, so as in our previous video I have told you before that 1750 and 1760 is a major area for a gold. So if it breaks, and also we have mentioned that if breaks 1750, you have to open sell limits, and your stop loss would be 1760, and our targets are 1680, and thanks God our targets were achieved. But in this video I'm also giving you some basic trades, so you should have to follow that trades. So according to that trend line, you will see that market comes down, then after that market boost towards upside, and there was in trading you can say it a retest of that region again, and also retest of a trend line from downside. Then according to gold again moves towards downside until its movement would be at least 1680. So for scalping trades, for scalping buy trades, so we have mentioned many daily basis trades in our Forex groups. Links are in description, you can join our groups also. So basic supportive areas for gold right now are 1726 till 27 is a basic good and supportive area for gold, so you should have to look by at that point. And also 1715 till 1718 till 19 is also a good support for a gold. You have to open scalping buy trades. So scalping, we would also tell you guys that what is the meaning of scalping, how to do a scalping trades in our next videos. So and on the other side 1700 is also a good level for scalping buy trades, and also this is a more beautiful level, and you can open their head trades for a buy for a longer time frame. 1680 or 1690 is a good area to take buy positions. So let's see. So if you look at 15-minute time frame or 1 hour time frame, things would be more clear. Yeah, and here you will see clearly about the retest, that how market came down and how it's moving upward, and each candles specify about the movement of gold, and even each candle having a story behind. So it depends upon maybe tomorrow, as I mentioned before, 3.5 trillion infrastructure bill, so there would be a huge impacts in the market, so you should also have to look at there. So as I mentioned 1726 in our groups also, there's a good, you can also open a buy positions there. So it's a 1 hour time frame. So here these are the areas as I mentioned before for buy trades. So you should have to open buy trades. Otherwise, whenever market came towards upside 1750, you have to look for a sell trades, and your stop loss would be, if you have a good equity, your stop loss would be at least 1765 or 1766. So you could for a long movement. But these all trades are just when there would be a no news, when gold market moves technically. And now here we would look for Forex factory data and what are the news is coming tomorrow on 10th of August. Either I look at here. I have told you in my previous video that orange it denotes medium impact news. So there's no strong news coming tomorrow. The only market sentiments having infrastructure bill. So if it is approved, then there would be a big movement, you can see. So right now I have mentioned about the buying trades and sell trades also. So you should have to look at that trades accordingly, and you should have to use a small stop losses for scalping trades. And thanks for watching Rio Traders, and hope so you would like this video. Must like, share this video.